Once again, it's your boy Swabby Dobby, owner operator of Perfect Touch Auto Glass in Richmond, Virginia. Today we will be working on a 2011 Nissan Versa. We will be replacing the windshield. The cowl has already been removed. Right now, what we want to do, we want to remove the rain channel molding. So I'm slicing away, trying to, not slicing the whole vehicle up. I'm just slicing away so I can get a good grip on that molding and really pull away. Trying to give my cold knife clear access. So it'll be a smooth pull. And I'm kind of like slicing away extra urethane. Reason for that is because when technicians replace this windshield, they like to run an extra bead, and I get to it. Right now we're gonna pull the cold knife down. Make sure you take your time and really ride that glass. Feel that glass. You don't want to dig through that glass. Feel the glass and ride it. Watch your corners. Watch your corners. So I've done that, and real simple. I'm on my first cold knife, the half an inch popped it. I was like, this windshield installation is feeling good. Let me go ahead and long knife this windshield out. I'm not gonna put out no electrical tools or anything like that. I was just like, let me cover the fenders, cover the hood fenders, and let me long knife this out. This windshield right here, real easy. So catch that corner, bite that corner, and then long slice. Long slice across. Same thing, catch that corner, bite that corner, and just ride it. Ride it. She loose. She out. It was nothing. It was easy. She out. I pulled it out. Now with this windshield right here, the molding does not stick to the glass. So what technicians like to do, they like to install the glass. They run an additional small bead urethane at the bottom pinch wheel all the way across, and then they like to apply the molding onto. So there's extra, see what you see me doing, not only am I removing the urethane that the windshield lied on, I'm actually removing the urethane that the molding was applied to. You see, now you double building, and you can cause gluage, and it's just more issues. Me personally, I don't install glass like that. What I will do, which you don't see, I would apply the molding onto the windshield, and then I would tape the molding onto the windshield, and then I would set the windshield and molding all together as one piece, and then just make finger adjustments until the molding is smooth, because with my machine bead that I run, it's going to catch the glass and the molding. So I got all that stuff cleaned up. Well, now I got all the stuff cleaned up. Now it's time to clean it. And remember, please, invest a little bit, 2-3 minutes into cleaning the pinch wheel and dusting off the dash. It makes your presentation look better, and you're removing debris and particles, just stuff that can get in your way and interfere with the adhesion of your whole installation. And always remove that dirt line. If you put a little bit of elbow grease into it and remove that dirt line, because no technician is the same, and maybe you will be off, or the previous technician was off, and if you remove that previous dirt line when you install your windshield, you know, they won't see that dirt line, and they'd be like, oh, it's not even and stuff like that. So remove the previous dirt line. It just takes a little elbow grease. So we're moving right on. And I did say, if you got any products and stuff like that, and you want to advertise, holler at your boy. This stuff right here, I think it's the best stuff in the world, but I won't advertise it because they haven't cut me a check yet. And until then, forget about it. But I'm running my machine B, and you notice how I started all the way. This is a small car, so I started all the way at the end. So I know that there won't be no water leaks. There won't be no water leaks from like the mirror bracket area all the way across. If there is a water leak, it'll be right there at that right top corner, or left top corner from you watching. But there won't be because I don't get leaks. I take my time and I butt my corners. And right there, I noticed that the pinch well that was a welding point, and it kind of had a ridge there. So I was like, let me just put a dab of urethane right there, just to close that ridge. Technicians know what I'm talking about when they see it. So did all that. So now I'm coming through with the windshield. Like I told you previously, I put the molding on the windshield and I taped the molding to the windshield. Because all that extra glue is just nonchalant, worthless, too much stuff. So now I'm coming through. Of course, I put my setting block down. So I got the windshield up in there. So now I'm making adjustments. Making sure the molding sits up in there before I even do any pressing down. I'm gonna make sure that the moldings are up in there, making the adjustments, just finger laying it down, making it real smooth, real pretty, real presentable. Perfect touch on the glass with a touch of perfection. That's what I do. And like I say, please just subscribe to my YouTube videos, and donations and stuff are always helping. You know what I'm saying? You can hit me up at 804-466-4141. Hit me up on that .com, ptagrva.com. Please comment. I'm willing to chat with the world or the community. This is what I do. Once again, finger leg, making it look real pretty. Cause that's what I do. I want the customers to not only be happy that they didn't have to spend a lot of money, but be happy with the appearance of their thing.